Looking for on today's trade on EUR USD, right? My bias is bullish. I have a bullish bias. Excuse that's my bank account notifications. But like I was saying, I'm expecting bullish intent to go a little bit higher and take out the high here and this high over here, right? So I'm just looking to enter somewhere on this trade. I'm just looking for a structure to occur, something like this, for example, to justify trade. Boom, break of structure or change of market structure. Then we will look to take longs. It's longs, right? Yep, it is longs. I tend to flip my charts, so sometimes I don't know. Boom, something like that. Just stop below that, but I'm probably gonna have it below here, right? The first target would be the high over here. This would be the first target, and the second target would be this high over here, and then giving me a nice return of 1 to 2.69, which is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. This is good. I like how it looks. All right, so perhaps we could run it back a little bit and see how we came to our conclusion, right? Let me cancel that for now. So previously, just looking at market structure, we can see that here we got a break of structure, fair value gap over here. Again, I'm using SMC or ICT, whatever you call it. We got a fair value gap over here. You got tapped into, and then break of structure with the candle breaking structure over here, confirming that we're still going bullish. Now going down to lower time frames, since we know that this was the shift in market structure or the break of structure, confirming that we're gonna go a little bit higher, right? Even though we did rate a little bit, it didn't go as high as it could go up until these highs over here, which is what we are looking to take out. So from here, after the break of structure, we still have a fair value gap over here that just got tapped into. Let me just extend that. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Again, we had a structure created here. I like that we tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap over here, and then we got the break of structure, right? And now we're just looking to enter off of the created demand inside of this range. We can take the high, we can take the high and the lower the candle or the lower the structure, right? And look to, go long over here. I tend to flip my charts and tend to go long over here, right? And then of course these highs would be our target. But of course, I'm not going to take a 1:1. That's just not part of my trading plan. So what I am going to do is go down to 15-minute time frame, for example, and look for any break of structure to signify that we're going to go a little bit higher. For example, I want to see price give me the structure I had outlined earlier, something like this, for example. Boom, break of structure, come back to demand, and boom. Then we see price just pushing a little bit higher. Right, this would be the break of structure. Then would enter off of the 50% of this range over here, right? 50% of the created demand. Come back there. Once it taps there, then we'll look for longs. Boom. First target would be this high again. Last target would be the recent high here, or the last high created. Even though, of course, I know that price is gonna push a little bit higher. Just taking profit over here has a 90% hit ratio, well, according to my track record. So I tend to take profit over here instead, right? Or I could take profit over here, but I'd have to tighten up my stop a little bit, just so at least I can get a 1:2 trade. But other than that, we're looking at longs here on EUR USD. Let me know what you guys think, but this is what I'm looking for right now.